Okay. Hi YouTube. All right, so my name is Karen, and this is my first video ever. So I have no clue what I'm doing. But like most of you guys, I've been seeing Luvme Hair all over my timeline, and I'm more of a person that I need to go to the store, I need to see my hair, I need to touch my hair, I need to smell my hair. And I've always been a She Happy Hair customer. Can you excuse me, please? Thank you. So I've always dealt with She Happy Hair, and I love She Happy Hair. Don't get me wrong. I love them because I've had hair from them that I've had for at least a good solid 2 years, and the hair still snaps back. I haven't had any problems with tangling, shedding, anything. So I decided to, well, it came today. So I'm gonna open it now and see what we got, and hopefully it's good. Okay, it's the box. It's a nice little box. Looks like it got a little beat up, you know, during transit or whatever. So, oh, this is cute. I can use this. Rat tail comb, which I needed a new one. Some clips and tweezers. Another clip. I don't even know what this is. What is this? What is this? Yeah, if anybody knows what this is, please let me know, because I have no freaking clue. A band. Okay, I definitely might need that. And some bobby pins. And that's it. Nothing else. Okay. Oh, good. It comes with a wig cap, because I sure did have one. Just like I don't have a wig cap under this. And by the way, this is not She Happy Hair that's in my head right now. I decided, because I didn't want to drive all the way to Arlington, Texas, to go to She Happy Hair, and I was being really lazy. I went to someone that I knew who did hair, and that they sold hair, but that's like a whole nother story that I don't think I'm going to buy from that lady again, because I have a lot of tangling going on with this or whatever. So here's the hair. Comes in a pretty little purple bag. Okay, let me see. Open it. Hey, kitty. Okay, and so this was the full lace, undetectable lace Swiss. So let's take this off. And it was the water wave. Now, just by taking off the net, I can tell right now that this is not thick enough. It doesn't seem like it's enough hair so far. But that's just on the first takeout of the bag. I don't know. I like my head full. I like a really thick, full head of hair. And can you move, please? Get your ass. Go. Jeez Louise, cat. Okay, so the lace looks good. It looks good. Let me see. The lace looks good. I don't really think I have to bleach the knots too much. It comes with baby hairs on it. Okay, I'm not sure about this. I don't know. You guys, okay, this is what I'm gonna have to do, because clearly I have a wig on my head right now. So I'm gonna have to come back and come back with this on my head. So first I have to go wash off this, run to the post office, do a bunch of other stuff real quick, and then I'm gonna come back and we'll see. Because right now, at this moment, I'm not really feeling it, only because it's not full enough, if that makes sense. It's not full enough. Okay, I'll be back.